I had no idea I could use this for my windows, so that's a bonus. This is another versatile squeegee. Okay, you have to stick around to see how oversized the squeegee is. So I received this from Amazon Vine, and I really didn't think I needed this until I used it. So it comes with the user manual, just in case you need help putting it together or need help on how to use it. But it's super easy to put together. The first things first, you want to make sure you connect this to the blade. Then next, you want to attach all the poles. The first pole has this buckle that should align with this hole right here. And then the next pole is a twist and lock. And this is the pole that's adjustable. Then the final pole is the top part of the squeegee, which is also a twist and lock. That's it. That was super easy to put together. So just remember the handle is adjustable, so no need to be bending over or putting extra strain on your back. The head also pivots so you can get into corners or under things without struggling. And I like that it has two sides. One side is smooth for pushing water and the other side helps with dirt, so you don't have to switch tools. Now just look at how wide this is. I mean, this is great for areas like your garage, your patio, or even inside when you're dealing with water on tile floors. I mean, it just moves everything where you need it to go quickly. I had no idea I could use this for my windows, so that's a bonus. This is another versatile squeegee, great for your showers. It just moves everything where you need it to go quickly. Like, it's the perfect squeegee, and once you're done, it's easy to rinse and put away. So this is one of those tools or squeegees you'll be sure glad to add to your cart.